And so with all the historical contamination and then looking at current threats, right? Like, why are we building up when we still have so much to clean up? There's still so much contamination to our waters, and with real human impacts to our health. And now we're looking at a 700-acre firing range complex that's, being built above our island's main aquifer, where 700 acres have been cleared, and we have 7 million lead bullets proposed to be shot above our main water source. And so it's scary. It's a scary time, but we definitely don't want to lead with fear in our community. We want our people to feel empowered, that even though all this is happening, we're still coming together as a community to walk for our human right to clean drinking water.